Good morning, children. So we have completed our chapter in the previous class, and today we are just going to do all the book exercises that are given on page number 65. So open your books at page number 65 and see the mind map that is given over here. Agriculture or farming. So what do you mean? How many types of farming or agriculture procedures are there? Let us see those. First thing that comes under agriculture is cultivation of lands to produce crops. So in order to produce crops, what farmers used to do, they used to cultivate the lands, farmlands, in order to produce a variety of crops, may it be food crops or cash crops. Second thing, horticulture. Horticulture is also one type of agriculture, one form of agriculture, because we used to produce fruits, flowers and vegetables on a very large scale in this horticulture. Third one, it is livestock rearing, keeping farm animals, keeping certain animals for different purposes at their farmlands. Now the last one, it is fishing. People who live near the coastal areas, their main occupation is fishing, rearing and breeding of more and more varieties of fish. In this there are two types, inland fishing and marine fishing. So now let us do the exercises that are given below. Exercise A, fill in the blanks. Rice grows well in dash and dash climate. Yes, we have discussed about this food crop, and we know that rice grows well in hot and humid climate. It needs a very hot and humid climate. Dash is known as the golden fiber. Golden fiber किसको बोलते हैं हम? It is jute. Dash is the largest producer of sugarcane in the world. All through the world, all over the world में कहाँ पे शुगर ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है? India stands in second position after which country? Brazil. So our answer is Brazil. The best quality of tea in India is produced in, where can we get the best quality of tea? That is Darjeeling in our country. Dash is also known as corn. हम कौन सा फूड क्रॉप को कॉर्न भी बोलते हैं? Maize. Now match the column. Cash crop, food crop, horticulture, livestock rearing and fishing. So some or other cash crop is given over here, that is jute. Food crop is wheat, horticulture sunflowers, livestock rearing cows and fishing prawns. Now exercise C, state whether the following statements are true or false. The first one, tea is a very popular beverage in India, isn't it? Tea बहुत most popular beverage है. So let us write it as true. Pepper, cinnamon and cardamom are the examples of spices. We have discussed about different type of spices in the food crops. उसमें हमने ये सब डिस्कस किया था. Pepper, काली मिर्च, cinnamon and cardamom. Yes, these are all the examples of spices. So let us write it as true. मेज़ रिक्वायर्स अ लो टेम्परेचर टू ग्रो. मेज़ ग्रो करने के लिए बहुत लो टेम्परेचर की ज़रूरत है. इज इट ट्रू और फॉल्स? नो, इट इज़ फॉल्स. कैश क्रॉप्स आर ग्रोन टू बी सोल्ड इन द मार्केट. yes, food crops mainly for feeding purpose and cash crops to be sold in the market. So it is a true statement. India is the fourth largest producer of spices in the world. It is false. We don't know whether it is a fourth or what. India is one of the largest producer of spices in the world. So let us write it as false. So children, first of all, go through the chapter, read the chapter carefully, because in all the upcoming exams we are just going to give the questions from the mid of the chapter too. So kindly go through the chapter thoroughly. Try to understand each and every concept, read the chapter carefully, then do the exercises. You can answer them very easily. Thank you.